Hey Bryan, what do you know about Lake Ludlow? Well, actually, this is my first time here. People have been asking, so I thought I should find out about it. I do know that it's now owned by Rayonier, sold by Pope, and by the looks of the sign, their policies are a little different than Pope's was. Anyway, since we can't walk in, we'll fly in and take a look at things, and then we'll both know what Ludlow Lake is all about. So the lake is about a quarter of a mile in down this, looks like pretty well traveled little road. As we spin around and take a look at the lake, it's a beautiful little lake. The lake is about 15 acres, and according to Fish and Wildlife, the lake might have brown bullhead, largemouth bass, and rainbow trout. So apparently there's been some fishing there at some point. Looking at the shoreline, there's certainly no sandy beaches there. And I'm not sure about the quality of the terra firma. I'm sure it's at least quite muddy, maybe more of a bog. But it sure is a pretty little lake. The area was recently logged, but growing back nicely, so I can see why Rayonier wants to protect it. So that's it. Head back up the road. Now you know as much about Ludlow Lake as I do. I'll certainly update this video if I find out more. I'm Bryan Diehl, and as always, thanks for watching.